Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Eat This Grinds and Cocktails YouTube channel, where you're sure to have your mind blown, your taste buds tantalized, and every single nerve in your body stimulated at some point or another. Today I am going to make a 3-pound hamburger. That's right, you heard me correctly, a 3-pound hamburger. But wait a minute, there's more. Not only am I going to make a 3-pound hamburger, I am also going to make a sesame seed bun fresh at home that will accommodate this 3-pound hamburger. The 3-pound hamburger is approximately 12 inches diameter and about a half an inch thick. It is full of tasty goodness and seasoned with Cavender's Greek seasoning. The one and only Cavender's Greek seasoning. If you have not tried it, pick it up at your local market. This 3-pound hamburger is sure to be the burger of every hamburger lover's dream, or it's going to be the nightmares of all vegans and vegetarians. Mark my words. This hamburger is sure to be the hit of all parties, bar mitzvahs, quinceañeras, or just because you have nothing better to do with 3 pounds of hamburgers. Stick around, let's see what happens. Hopefully it doesn't become a 3-pound sloppy Joe. I have a theory how I'm going to cook this thing, but that's all it is a theory. We're going to give it a shot, hope for the best, and if so, I got me a 3-pound hamburger. Success so far. Cavender's Greek seasoning. Well, cheers to the 3-pound burger. It was a success. We're not doing sloppy joes tonight, so thank you for watching Eat This Grinds and Cocktails. Be sure to subscribe, ring the notification bell, not ring it, hit the notification bell so it'll notify you. Like it, share it. Now we got to figure out how to eat this thing. We'll give it a cut. Could slice it like a pizza. Don't want to knock over my beer. Look at that. Don't know if you can see the steam coming off of it, but it's still nice and warm. So thanks for watching. Perfection.